How to make Minimax M3 plus Hermes Agent 10 times better in one click. What if one click could turn a free AI tool into a worker that runs for hours on its own? Why is everyone suddenly talking about Minimax M3? And why does plugging it into Hermes Agent change everything? Most people are using these tools the slow, hard way. It's one move that flips it, and almost nobody's doing it. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and actually use AI tools in their real work, not just play with them. And today I'm going to show you how to connect Minimax M3 to Hermes Agent in basically one move. Stick around, because near the end I'll show you the one thing most people get wrong about running this for free. Let's get into it first. Let's keep this simple. Minimax M3 is a brand new AI model. It dropped on June 1st, 2026. Think of it like a brain. It's the thinking part. Reads, it plans, it figures things out. Hermes Agent is different. Hermes is the body. It's the part that actually does the work. It can open files. It can use tools. It can search the web. It can run on a schedule. On their own, each one is good. Brain with no body just sits there and talks. And a body with no brain doesn't know what to do. So when you put the M3 brain inside the Hermes body, that's where it gets fun. And here's the one-click part. Hermes Agent already has Minimax built right in as a choice. So you open Hermes, run the model picker, choose Minimax M3, and you're connected. That's it. If you'd rather go through Ollama, it's a single launch command, and M3 is running inside your agent. One move. Brain meets body. It's how I'd use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. I'd hand it a list of topics AI Profit Boardroom members keep asking about. Then I'd let M3 think through them and let Hermes draft a whole batch of scripts, hooks, and captions in one run. That's exactly the kind of content that pulls the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom, and I'm not stuck making it one piece at a time. Now let me show you why this combo is so much better. 3 reasons. First one is memory. It can hold about 1 million words in its head at once. Million. Picture a stack of books taller than you, and it remembers every single page while it works. Older models were a bit like a goldfish. You close the tab, they forget you. Holds the whole picture. Does that matter? Because you can hand it the big stuff. Notes. Every past file. The whole folder, not a tiny slice. This is what I do inside the iProfit Boardroom. I drop in a giant messy folder of past training notes and let M3 read all of it at once. Then I'd let Hermes sort it into one clean, organized library. So everything I've ever made for the AI Profit Boardroom lives in one tidy place I can actually find again. The second reason is what it can actually do. It doesn't just read text. It can take in images and video too. And it can even operate a desktop computer. So it's not only a writer, it can look at things, click things, and get stuff done. Hermes gives that brain a body to act with. It can open your apps. It can run your tools. It can message you on Telegram, Discord, Slack, even email. And it keeps going on its own while you go do something else. I could use this to map out the whole onboarding flow new AI Profit Boardroom members go through on day one. From one prompt, it plans the welcome messages, the first call prep, and the resource walkthroughs. So new AI Profit Boardroom members land inside and instantly know exactly what to do next. Third reason is the big one. Doesn't quit. Minimax showed off a test where they gave M3 one brutally hard job. Well, answer to copy. Just go figure it out. And it ran on its own for about 24 hours straight. That time, it made nearly 2,000 separate moves and tried 147 times with nobody stepping in to help. Now, I want to be honest with you here. Those numbers come from Minimax's own demos, not from outside testers. So take them as a demo, not a promise. Other strong models have hit similar results in fewer tries too. Here's the part that stuck with me. Minimax said most models give up after about 30 tries. His best answer didn't show up until try number 145. It hit wall after wall and just kept going. Think about why that matters for real work. Jobs that eat up your week aren't the quick ones. Boring, grindy ones. Putting a giant pile of files. Cleaning up one huge, messy document. Those are the jobs that need a worker who won't stop at try number 30. The old AI was a sprinter. This combo is more like a marathon runner. One more thing worth knowing about M3. It has a thinking mode you can turn on or off. Flip it on, and the model slows down and really reasons through a hard, multi-step problem before it acts. Flip it off, and it answers fast for the quick, simple stuff. So you get to choose. Deep and careful when the job is tricky. Quick and snappy when you just need a fast reply. That's handy with Hermes because you can let it think hard on the big jobs and stay fast on the little ones, all from the same setup. So how do you actually run all this for free? This is the part most people get wrong, so listen close. Right now, M3 is live through Ollama's cloud. Partnership with Minimax is based in the US, and they keep 0 of your data. You connect it, pick M3, and Hermes is running on it. On the free Ollama plan, there are some token limits, but most people just testing it won't hit them. One thing a lot of the early videos get wrong. People keep saying you can run M3 on your own computer today. Not quite yet. Minimax said the open weights are coming within about 10 days of launch, landing around June 11th on Hugging Face. Once that drops, and if you've got a strong setup, you'll be able to run the model fully on your own machine. So today it's cloud. Very soon it's local too. And both pieces are open and free to start. Hermes Agent is open source, built by Noose Research. Is open weights. So you're not locked in. You're building on tools you can actually own. The other thing I love is that Hermes learns. Has a built-in loop that looks at what worked and turns it into reusable skills over time. So the more you run it, the sharper it gets at your exact kind of work. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, this sounds amazing, but there's no way I could set this up, I'm not techie, I hear that one the most. And I'll be straight with you. Doing it all on your own can get messy. There are providers, model pickers, settings, and folders to organize, and it's easy to get stuck. That's exactly why I built the setup the way I did inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside, there's a full walkthrough for connecting Minimax M3 to Hermes Agent step by step. There's a roadmap that takes you from zero to your own working agent setup. There's a library of prompts you can plug straight in, and you can get the full zip file inside the Agent OS ready to install. And there are live coaching calls every week where you can share your screen and get walked through your exact setup on the spot. So when you get stuck, you're not stuck alone. Everything inside the AI Profit Boardroom is built around this exact kind of tool. Okay, back to the tool. Let me give you the honest picture so you go in smart. 3 is strong, but it's not the top of the mountain. On the coding test Minimax shared, M3 edges out GPT 5.5, but it sits below Claude Opus 4.8. And remember, those scores come from Minimax's own testing, so the smart move is to try it on your own work before you trust it with anything important. Where it really shines is the long, agentic stuff. For hours, holding a ton of memory, searching, planning, and doing many steps in a row without you babysitting it. That's the lane it was built for. And here's a neat trick most people miss. Inside Hermes, you're not stuck with one model forever. You can switch models right in the middle of a job with a simple / command. So you could start a really hard task on a top model, then drop down to M3 for the long, repeat work that just needs to keep grinding away. You can even set a backup model. If your main one is busy or goes down, Hermes just falls back to another one and keeps working. No stopping, no babysitting. And don't forget that learning loop I mentioned earlier. Every time Hermes finishes a batch of work, it looks back at what actually worked and it saves the good steps as reusable skills. A week or two in, it's not the same tool you started with. It's quietly gotten better at your exact tasks, your exact files, your exact way of working. That's the part that really separates this from a normal chatbot. A chatbot starts from zero every single time. This one builds on itself. The more real work you give it, the more it learns and the less you have to explain. So here's what I'd actually do first. Connect M3 to Hermes with that one move and give it one small real job. Maybe have it organize a folder, maybe pull together a quick web report, maybe draft a batch of content. Watch how it works on its own. And then once you trust it, hand it something bigger. Let me connect the dots because this is the whole picture. The brain got bigger. It holds about 1 million words and barely forgets a thing. Body got tougher. Hermes does the work, uses your apps and keeps going on its own. And you snap them together in basically one click. That's it. One smart brain, one worker that won't quit, both free to start and both open. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 75,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And once you start running this yourself, you'll hit the real questions. Which provider to pick? How to set Hermes up so it runs the way you want? What to do when M3 stalls partway through a long job? That's the stuff we work through together inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the step-by-step Minimax M3 and Hermes walkthroughs, the roadmap to follow, the prompts to start from, and weekly coaching calls where you can bring your own setup and get unstuck fast. So instead of guessing for weeks, you can get it running much faster, right next to people already doing it. Go to aiprofitboardroom.com. The tool's just leveled up. Don't let them leave you behind.